everyone, welcome back to our channel. Like I've said in my previous two videos, I got a lot of boxes all at once. So this is yet another one, although this one's going to be strange as far as I'm going to tell you this is a February box. I guess something happened to my Joahbox for February and I just got it yesterday, today, whatever day it is for you. I just got it. So here's Joahbox, and like I said, it's for February. Did I say I'm Diane and welcome to the channel and subscribe, like, and hit the bell? Probably I did. I don't remember because I'm having some brain issues today. Oy, 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 it's not good. My shirt's strangulating me. Okay, I'm here again. Who needs to cut out all the stupidity? We may as well leave it in there because it's who I am. So I guess you guys like it or don't. I don't know. Hopefully you like it though. I like you guys to come back. So anyway, Joahbox is a Korean beauty monthly subscription, which you can tell them that you want more makeup, more hair, more, you know, skincare, that kind of thing. I opt for a mix of everything just so that I can show you guys a good variety of everything that's in there. I would prefer probably more makeup, but I did ask for a variety. These are full-size products. You get 5 to 7 full-size products. And they're Korean beauty, which if any of you know anything about Korean beauty, it's a little more expensive, but it's fantastic. So this box is by far the most expensive one I get. I don't even think my husband knows how much. He's going to edit this, so he's going to know right away. So it's $33 US, and that includes delivery, or 44 Canadian, including delivery. Shh. Don't tell him I said that. Yeah, it's a little bit pricey, but it's worth like 60 to 100 US, or 80 to about 120 Canadian. So, like I said, I guess it's up to you. If you really like Korean beauty, then this is an amazing box. It's more pricey, but the products are amazing. I'm trying to justify myself, really. I like it. I actually like it quite a bit. I'm happy that it came so late, but I know things happen in the mail. It was Chinese New Year, you know, and in Asia, I'm sure that's just like having Christmas here. Everything gets muddled and messed up. So we're going to give them the benefit of the doubt for this one box. Okay, so like I said, it's called Joahbox. I have a link down below if you would like to check it out. So the first thing we get, there's what it looks like on the inside. February Joahbox. This is weird because normally this is a cardboardy thing, and normally I get a voodoo card. I did not get a voodoo card. I'm wondering if my box got lost and they threw this one together and sent it off to me quickly, because it didn't arrive like normal, and I got this. I didn't get the deck of playing cards that you're supposed to get either. Oh well, you know what? Like I said, I'm not going to complain. I contacted them 2 weeks ago or a week ago, and they said that it was going to be sent out. So it happens. I'm not angry. Because they fixed the problem, they were courteous and quick, I'm all right with it. So on this, glasses on, it tells me the prices. It tells me, now the prices will be in US, so I didn't realize that. My brain wasn't thinking straight today. But we'll go through them and see what's what. I got a jelly mist. Have you ever heard of a jelly mist? I never heard of no jelly mist. Okay, I'm going to open this jelly mist thing. Mask Boosting Jelly Mist. Which is $15. Holy crap, that's expensive. Oopsie, it flew across the room. I got it. Okay, so it says here that this boosting jelly mist, apply it under a sheet mask. Let's get that ready. If you guys can see that, hopefully. We're still trying to balance out the new lighting. It's a 5.5 pH balance, and it keeps the skin hydrated. The mist will help absorb the nutrition, strength, skin barrier, and skin keratin. It is composed with the famous amino acid complex. Let's spray that sucker on. Oh, that's so weird. No real smell. Oh, it feels weird too. It feels like water jelly. Actually, it does have a scent. Oh, no, it doesn't. That's my hand lotion. Never mind. Never mind. It doesn't have a scent. It's good. It's good. So you basically put this on before you put on a face mask, and it helps you absorb the nutrients from that face mask even better. I don't know. That seems strange, but I guess it's a thing. Who knew? Not me. Oh, I mean, come on. It kind of sounds strange, right? I don't know. Strange, but cool. Okay, so we got this shampoo by British M. This is $8 US, which is around 10 Canadian. From the Ethic product line of British M, we picked this eco-friendly shampoo, including 10 natural derived ingredients, gentle cleanses, nourishes, and balances the scalp and hair, ideal for everyday use on all hair types. Strengthens hair follicles, enhances the hair roots, and minimizes hair loss. I need that. Let's look inside. Keeps the hair smooth, strong, and healthy. There's a little bottle. How much did it say that was? Oh, it's only $8. It's not very much money, I guess. Guess what it smells like? It smells like shampoo. It does. It totally smells like shampoo. Okay. Oh, look, we can use this with that other thing. This is a face mask. Where is that on this little piece of paper? I don't know. Oh, premium mask pack by Boutique Lab. $1.50. Formulated without paraben, silicone, ethanol, mineral oil, artificial colors. This mask is gentle on your skin, comes in 3 variations, green tea, pomegranate, and aloe vera, which we got pomegranate. Very cool. I kind of like pomegranate. They're delicious. So there you go. So you leave it on for 15-20 minutes. You put this stuff on first, then you put this stuff on, and you're going to end up with like 20-year-old skin. Guaranteed. Would be nice though, don't you think? Unless you're 20 right now and you're looking at me thinking, what are you talking about? I got 20-year-old skin. Well, on you. That's nice. Lucky you. Okay, so the next thing is makeup. Face Toner Sealy by Millimage. I don't know. Millimage. $15. Millimage. I don't know. We'll go with the flow. Millimage. Color corrector pack features 4 different colors in one with moisturizing and matte texture. Cannot open it. Oh my goodness. You guys know, like, I'm really bad at opening things. Like, it's like the world is against me. I don't know why, though. Oh, there we go. We opened it from the bottom. That was smart. Oh, this is cute. I don't know if you guys can see it, but that's cute. It's like a really light minty green, and it feels decent. So the color guide is yellow cancels purple tones and dark circles, which I have every day. The green cancels redness, which I have every day. The purple cancels yellow, only have when I have jaundice. And the white cancels fine lines and wrinkles, which I have every day. Oh no, I picked it with my finger. Did you guys see? Oh man. Okay, let's see. It's a cream base thing. I guess there's really no point in me swatching these, but I picked at that one by accident. But it's definitely something that I can use, definitely, because like I said, I don't really have issue with like yellow tones. I was making a joke about jaundice, although I have had that. I don't have the issue with yellow, but I know one of my kids does. So it just so happens that that's the one thing I don't have. So that's cool. I'll definitely make good use out of this. There we go. And the other one is a blush. Wow, by Millimage. Millimage? You guys can figure that out. I don't have a clue. A vibrant. Oh my goodness. If you watch these videos back to back, you're going to see that I'm having issues. I cannot enunciate anything. It's a vibrant, velvety, creamy blusher that brightens the cheeks. Okay, this just sounds stupid as all shit. You guys are going to laugh. Are you ready? It brightens the cheeks as those of a shy girl. What the hell is that? I'm going to assume they mean like when you blush, maybe it makes your face look like you're blushing. As those of a shy girl. I'm sorry, I find that hilarious. Oh my goodness. Okay, I gotta calm down. That's funny. The blush has a shy girl. The blush has a creamy texture that turns powder once applied. Oh, I gotta try this stuff. Let's see this. Ooh, it's got some sticker on it. It brightens the cheeks as those of a shy girl. Apply with the fingers or with a puff, or even apply it as eyeshadow. Oh, that's cool. Oh, you guys, am I gonna look like a shy girl? Let's see. How shy do I look now? All that did was make my cheeks look red. Do I look shy? Do I look innocent? Oh, no, that didn't look good at all. I think I should have put something down first, because now it just looks like my cheeks. I got that corrector. So I'll just put this on, and then I can put this on, and then I'll look like a shy girl. Oh, blushing and beautiful. That's hilarious. Oh. But then again, you know, in Asia, things are said differently, and for us, that's just so strange. Of those of a blushing shy girl. I'm so shy and innocent. Oh my goodness. So anyway, this was an awesome box for February. We got the put on before you do a face mask, the blush, the color corrector, the shampoo. Didn't we get something else? Who knows? We coulda, we maybe shoulda, woulda, I don't know. But anyway, you know, there wasn't even any packaging in this. There's always packaging in that. They must have thrown this together and mailed that sucker out. Weird. Oh well, so anyway, I'm really pleased with this box. This is nice. I like it. Like I said, for me, it's more of a getting to try new things that I would never get to try. So it's worth the cost just for that reason. You know, trying new things is always fun. I wouldn't normally try Korean beauty, so I kind of enjoy getting these. You know, and I have ordered Korean beauty online, and it's very expensive. Like, really expensive, but is it expensive compared to Huda Beauty or Anastasia of Beverly Hills or Kat Von D or any of them? No, it's cheaper. So if you think about it that way, you're getting high quality products for cheaper than you would pay for high-end products here. So, you know, I guess you kind of have to think about it in different terms or whatever. I'm happy with it. I do like this box, although it came late. They were courteous, and they got back to me very quickly. I did get my box. Hopefully March's comes. Yeah, March's comes still within March. I understand that my Joah boxes are going to come very, very near the end of the month. Even if it's right around the first of the month, I'm still okay with it. But yeah, this is a little ridiculous at this point. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Diggy, 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 diggy. And I'm blushing like a shy girl. I only did it on one side because, you know, I'm only halfway blushing today. Stupid thing. Anyway, I could go on with the blushing girl thing for days and days and days. So what I will do is say goodbye for now. I will probably see you again very quickly because Seems like all of my monthly subscriptions are delayed and then all coming in one fell swoop. Poof! And I'm getting them all at once. And I also have all these just came out makeups that I just got. So it's like insanity in my mind. So we'll figure it out and we will pass it on to you. So until next time, bye!